220 3.2 meter 6+1 axis bus controlled electro-hydraulic servo CNC press brake. The appearance adopts Chinese red. Configuration details. The integrated electrical box uses Francis Schneider electric components. The front of the equipment is equipped with a movable front material supporting rack, and it adopts electric Verla mechanical compensation. The dies are standard customized, black and full body. Heat-treated one installed. It is equipped with a rear gauge with ball screw linear guide, enabling automatic front rear positioning. For finger stops are standard, with left-right movement function. The CNC system features a 22-inch touchscreen, supporting Chinese-English switching for input, hand-drawn workpiece graphics, and 3D bending simulation. Demonstration function. The system automatically stores multiple processes and allows for data checking and verification. This equipment not only meets the requirements of high efficiency, high precision, and high straightness, but also ensures the stability of the equipment.